Sometimes you need to see further. Sometimes you need to know more. With Seek Thermal, you can. This is military-grade technology at an affordable price. With the highest resolution in their category, Seek Thermal imagers bring powerful thermal imaging to everyday use, providing actionable and incredibly useful solutions to its users. The versatility of these imagers runs across a wide-ranging spectrum of applications, delivering the confidence people need to make smart decisions across different use cases. They are extremely useful in construction, hunting, DIY, building inspection, public safety, fire and rescue professionals, and more. Seek Thermal allows all to see the unseen like never before. It works in pitch black or in bright sun, the level of lighting making no difference to the thermal sensor. Its size and portability means that it can be used in tight crawl spaces or in open fields. In this video, I'm going to introduce both the Compact and the CompactXR line of Seek Thermal imagers. First, let's start with what's in the box. We have the imager itself. We also have this handy, portable and protective waterproof carry case. Also important to note is that both models have this focusable lens for greater image clarity. Both versions also work with your smartphone, so you can take photos and videos of your thermal imagery and you can share them just as you would with any other photos or videos taken on your phone. The Compact is designed for indoor use, offering a wide 36-degree field of view and a range of up to 1,000 feet. The CompactXR, with its narrower 20-degree field of view, provides a further range of up to 1,800 feet, great for spotting things outdoors. The infrared lens is made of chalcogenide glass and is specially crafted to detect the slightest difference in temperature. The lens focuses heat signatures onto very high-performance thermal pixels. These pixels then read the infrared spectrum and can detect an extensive range of detection from -40 to 626 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite being very small, the product is also very strong. Housed in solid magnesium, the superior build quality makes it tough and durable, perfect for taking with you to work or in the field using the included waterproof case. In terms of compatibility, there are two versions for each model, one for Android and one for iOS. The Android version works on most Android devices running 4.3 or higher and connects via the micro USB. The iOS version connects via the Lightning port and is available on iPhone 5 or higher, so it's really simple to set up. Simply download your free app from the iTunes App Store or Google Play, plug in your imager, and you're ready to go. So which one is right for you? The Compact is great for indoor use, whether you're looking for clogged pipes, electrical lines, shorted electrics, or HVAC installation issues. Compact can help you find problems that would otherwise be undetected or hard to find. This wide-angle imager will save time and money with the power to see precise thermal variation through walls, pipes, power boxes, and more. The CompactXR is perfect for outdoor use. Whether it's boating, hiking, camping, or walking your dog, the XR will detect and locate objects and animals easily, on the water, on the trail, even at night. By allowing you to spot people and animals even in the darkest conditions, CompactXR delivers great peace of mind. Seek Thermal imagers are portable, affordable, and easy to use, whether you're hunting, contracting, or DIYing. The imager is a revolutionary tool. This has been a quick look at the Compact and CompactXR thermal imagers.